Dear Mr. Christine, welcome to Suntech. And I learned that you have our packing machine more than 10 years. So could I have your comments, some of your comments about our packing machine?
No, absolutely. So we're a medium-sized manufacturing company based out of New Zealand, so a long way away from anywhere else in the world, and so reliability is very big for us, obviously. And 11 years ago now, we used to bag our product, and we had to go to a wrap to save costs where we could. And we were advised of your business by a colleague in the UK, and with yourselves and ourselves, we designed a solution focus for our product that worked really well. And again, that was 11 years ago, and it's been great. It's been fantastic. A big part of that was being so far away from other industries as maintenance, which we do every Friday. We run a 4-day week, and but without the maintenance, then your machine's not going to work. So very big part of things.
Yes, I think maintenance is very important to make the machine, the condition of the machine good and running good. Even after 11 years later, the condition of the machine looks very good. So how you do the maintenance, is the cost high, or why you think the maintenance is so important to?
Yeah, I guess for us, and again, a big part of it's been so far away down the bottom of the world, and reliability. We only have one packaging machine. It's we can't have a selection of them. So, but it's very simple. It's if it's not running, we're not making anything. We don't have a business, and the maintenance in terms of costs is not a lot. It's the parts we found from Suntech, are very reasonable. They're quite cheap, and if you stick to your regular maintenance and your routine of when you're supposed to change parts, it's fine. Everything works good. It's the machine again. It's 11 years old now, running as well as it ever has. But that's due to what really is only a couple of hours a week, no complaints. Another big part was, we've managed to reduce the micronage of the plastic we use, things like that, to save costs. But again, without looking after it, it won't happen. So, very happy with the machine after so long. So
happy to hear that. And you just mentioned that you have 4 days working and 1 day only for maintenance, right?
Yes, only 1 day. And it's so we do a 4-day week, Monday to Thursday, and that's to let the staff have a 3-day weekend, so they do a 40-hour week. But so that's pretty much non-stop running over that period, and then the Fridays when we do the maintenance. But that's the whole factory. But we focus a couple of hours on the bagging line, and just being really strict with the recommendations from Suntech of what needs to be replaced, when and where, and as long as you do that, we've had no issues.
Wow.
No issues. So and that's it's well over 2 million rolls a year, and 11 years, and it's sealing and cutting as well as when it was new. So
do you think the working efficiency good?
It's as for us, it's as good as the day we brought it.
And
it's as good as the day we brought it. Yeah, look, again, we only have one of them, and maintenance is very important. Without it, we're not making anything, we're not producing, so we don't have a business.
Thank you. Do you have any suggestions for our coming customer who want to buy our packing machine?
Okay, we understand that especially when we get the tough times, when things get hard, especially as they have been the last couple of years, maintenance gets cut. Sort of management can say, well, we don't want to spend money on maintenance. Is it needed? Is it not? But it's a false economy. It's a false economy. It just will not work. So my best advice is, if you're in a similar position, keep up with the cleaning, maintenance of the machine, and what we can tell you is this particular machine, and the equipment from Suntech will look after you.
Okay, thank you for your comments and suggestions.
No problem.
Very nice to see you here.
Absolutely, great to be here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.